Channel. This is Jeff from JJ Teknoholic, and today we're going to unbox one purchase that I did from souk.com. This is the Redmi 5 Plus or the Redmi Note 5 from Xiaomi. Okay, we'll unbox this device now. Kararating lang kanina. Meron kasi silang sale ngayon sa souk.com at sa lahat ng mga websites dito sa UAE. It's called White Friday, Yellow Friday, Black Friday, Rainbow Friday. This one came from souk.com, Redmi 5 Plus. Then, bago natin buksan, tingnan natin ang features. 6 inches, 5.99 inch full screen display. This is 18 by 9 aspect, 1080p resolution. Front selfie light, 12 megapixel rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, and Snapdragon 625 mid-range specifications. Global version. Okay. Meron dito. It's a jelly case. Okay, so wala. And this is the phone itself. Mamaya na yan. Ano pang meron sa box? Instructions na hindi natin binabasa. And guys, this is micro USB. So no USB Type-C this time. SIM ejection tool. At ano ito? Charging brick. Guys, this is the Redmi 5 Plus or the Redmi Note 5 from Xiaomi. This particular unit is the 64GB, 4GB RAM, 12 megapixel camera, 5.99 inch metal body, but nasa taas po is plastic. Let's power this up. So this is the boot up. Lagyan muna natin lahat ng information na kailangan. Region, United Arab Emirates. Okay. Later na. Okay. No SIM card. Lagyan natin later. That's it. So, okay. Alright. So, ito na po tayo. Naglo-load pa yung mga app. Here we are, guys. As I've said before, this is 5.99 inch IPS LCD display with a 1080p resolution. This has also a IR blaster. Meron po tayong headphone jack. Unfortunately, this is micro USB. Hindi po siya parang 2018 na standard, pero okay na lang din po yun. Let's crank the brightness up. quite bright. A Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. So napaka mid-range po ng ating specs dito. At ito po siya, may 64GB internal memory with 4GB RAM, which is parang Pixel 3 lang these days. Expandable din po siya via micro SD card. Running on Android 7 for now. Upgradable po siya sa Oreo. Meron po siyang fingerprint scanner sa likod. One camera setting. Pretty standard para sa 2018 na device, maliban po sa micro USB at saka sa one camera setup. Pero nabili ko po ito for around 400 dirham. So hindi na po tayo talo doon. This device also has a 4000 mAh battery coupled with the mid-range specs of Snapdragon 625. So alam natin na tatagal itong battery na ito. And also has FM radio. Also has Bluetooth 4.1. Hindi masyadong updated pero okay na rin. And one speaker for the loudspeaker for your music. Hindi ko na rin po siya masyadong kakalikutin, guys, kasi I don't have plans to make it as my daily driver. Pero makikita naman po natin dito, as you can see how it performs sa kanyang UI out of the box. Mabilis naman po siya. Wala naman po siyang issues regarding sa animations. So, titignan lang po natin yung basic functions niya, gagaya ng social media, yung camera niya, yung browsing niya, which is yun naman po yung lagi natin ginagawa araw-araw. So, I purchased this phone for 400 dirham. Kung kailangan nyo ng pangregalo or para sa mga anak nyo or para sa pinsan nyo or para kanino man this Christmas, mapurchase na po ito sa souk.com or any other websites. This phone doesn't cheap out on the build quality and the performance itself. Hindi pa po natin sigurado, pero malalaman po natin yan on this coming few days. Kaya subscribe lang po dito sa aming channel. This is Ja from JJ Teknoholic, and be a Teknoholic, guys.